Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate. You can download the complete list of AWS-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on SysOps Administrator Associate is: what are AWS config rules and how do they help enforce compliance? Your answer should be AWS config rules are customizable rules that you can define to automatically evaluate the configuration of AWS resources and detect deviations from desired configurations. They help enforce compliance with organizational policies, industry regulations, and security best practices by identifying non-compliant resources and triggering notifications or remediation actions. Our next interview question is: how does AWS Direct Connect facilitate private connectivity to AWS resources? Your answer should be AWS Direct Connect is a dedicated network connection service that enables you to establish a private, high bandwidth connection between your data center, office, or co-location environment and AWS. It bypasses the public internet, providing a more consistent and reliable network experience for accessing AWS resources. Our next interview question is: what is Amazon ECS, that is Elastic Container Service, and how does it work? Your answer should be Amazon ECS is a fully managed container orchestration service provided by AWS. It allows you to run and manage Docker container at scale, providing features for scheduling, scaling, monitoring, and deploying containerized applications across a cluster of EC2 instances. Our next interview question is: how do you ensure data durability in Amazon S3? Your answer should be data durability in Amazon S3 is ensured by storing objects redundantly across multiple devices and facilities within a region. Amazon S3 provides a durability SLA of 99.9999%, that is 11 nines, ensuring that your data is highly resilient and protected against hardware failures and data corruption. Our next interview question is: what is AWS Lambda layers and how do they simplify code reuse? Your answer should be AWS Lambda layers allows you to package and reuse common libraries, dependencies, and runtime components across multiple Lambda functions. They simplify code reuse, reduce duplication, and enable you to manage and version shared code separately from your Lambda functions. Our next interview question is: what is AWS OpsWorks and how does it simplify application management? Your answer should be AWS OpsWorks is a configuration management service that helps you automate the deployment, configuration, and management of applications on AWS infrastructure. It provides features like Ceph and Puppet integration, lifecycle management, monitoring, and auto-healing to simplify application management. If you are preparing for any AWS-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.